Listen, students, now it is the time to discuss the third type answers, which are short. Listen, students, you have to write these answers at least into 30 words. So there is word limit. You should have to follow it strictly. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words, not more than 30 or not less than 25. So you should be in word limit. What kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have? You all know very well. Margie and Tommy are future child and they have mechanical teacher. So we will write the answer like this. As did is here, you should have to write here had. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers who taught them on computer. Who taught them on computer. They had a fixed timetable. These teachers were not human like our teachers, as they are the future child. Instead, the teaching was a programmed, step by step learning method. Clear? The teaching was a programmed, step by step learning method. The mechanical teacher asked questions, gave homework and test, and also calculated marks in no time. Clear? So this answer is clearly shown what kind of teacher they had. Clear? Second one is, why did Margie's mother send for county inspector? Real? You remember this thing? Margie's mother sent for, means called, county inspector to inspect the machine because Margie was doing very worse in geography only. Clear? Okay, so we will write the answer. Margie's mother called, yes, sent for, sent. Did is here, you should have to write sent, the second form of sent. Sent for county inspector because Margie had not been doing well. Had not been, perfect continuous में you should have to write this answer. Margie had not been doing well in geography. Each of the subsequent tests showed that her progress was becoming worse and worse in geography, and that's why her mother got worried and called county inspector to check the mechanical teacher. What did he do? What did he do? Who? The county inspector. So what did he do? The county inspector came with a box of tools and wires. You know very well. And he opened up the computer to see the geography lesson sector. He realized that the current lesson was a bit too advanced for Margie's mental level. So he adjusted it to the level of 10-year-old. Remember, he told it the geography sector was scheduled or settled in a fast mode, and that's why it was given test after test. That's why he admitted that the lesson was a bit too advanced for the Margie's IQ level or age level, and so he adjusted it to the level of a 10-year-old. So he admits that it was not the fault of Margie. Listen, students, I will also provide these answers and the long one, but these you should have to write yourselves. What had once happened to, but try to write these answers also because they are very easy ones. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? You know very well. Margie was hoping that the county inspector took away her teacher also like Tommy's. What was happened at that time? Listen, student, this answer is clearly given here on page number 7. history sector had blanked out completely. This was the problem with Tommy's teacher. Clear? How we can write this answer? Once Tommy's teacher no, this answer is left now. That's why we should discuss it first. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector what did the county inspector do to help her? Why was Margie doing badly in geography sector? Margie was doing badly in geography sector because it was giving test after test and it was also set at a higher level. Clear? So we can write Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector was giving test after test repeatedly and fastly, and it was also set in a advanced or higher level. What did the county inspector do to help her? The county inspector detected this problem, and to help her, he settled it and set it to the label of a 10-year-old. Clear? Now, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? What happened? Tommy's history sector was completely blanked out once. Clear? Tommy's history sector had blanked out and no lesson would flash on the screen. There was some technical problem which his computer had apparently developed, so it had to be taken away to the workshop to be mended. Clear? And the lesson was reinstalled. Clear? Most probably it could be happen because the machine was taken for 1 month, was taken from for 1 month from Tommy's house. It is clearly shown in the chapter. That's why you should have to write assuming something. Clear? Tommy's computer screen was not flashing history sector because it was completely had blanked out. Clear? There was some technical problem, and that's why his mechanical teacher was taken away to the workshop to get repaired by the county inspector. You can write like this. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Well, students, it is told clearly that Margie's mother called her to start the school while they were reading the book. So it shows that they have regular hours of studies. Clear? Margie had regular days and hours for school. Saturday and Sunday, they don't have any regular hours. Clear? It is written here now. Listen, students. Except Sunday. It was always at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. It means Saturday, Sunday, there were no classes. There will be no classes for them. Then we can write Margie had regular days and hours for school. But on Saturday and Sunday, there are no classes. Clear? For them. Why? Because her mother thought that students should have to learn at their regular hour to perform well in their studies. It is told by the Margina in this para, page number 7. Her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. So we can write the answer according to the chapter's knowledge. How? Listen. Margie had regular days and hours for school, and on Saturday and Sunday there are no classes for them, and they did their study at regular hours because Margie's mother told her that students should learn at regular hours and at regular timetable according to regular timetable to get to perform well in their studies. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy also tells many things about the old kind of school. So here this question is asked directly. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy describes to Margie that the old kind of school was very different from theirs. Means they are totally different from the schools they have at that time. In those days, it means in the past days, children went to a separate building called school. All children in the same age and group sat in the same class and were taught the same things by a human teacher. This teacher would give information, ask questions, and give homework. The children would laugh and have fun playing together and walking back home from school together. So these things are told by Tommy to Margie. Clear? Separate building. Remember this thing? Human teacher. Same group students, same age group of students sit in same class and taught same subjects. And they laugh, share things with each other and come back from school together. Clear? So these are the differences. How does he describe the old kind of teacher? Real? You remember? He also tells in the chapter about the teachers which was written in the book. Yes, the old kind of teacher was a human being, a man. He knew a lot as he was intelligent. He taught the same things to the same class, would give information, ask questions, give homework. There was one man who taught a particular subject to the entire group of students. These things are told by the Tommy about the old kind of teachers. So try to write these answers. I will also provide you the answers of these questions so that you can write answers. But students, tomorrow we will discuss the long answers. I will give you these long answer format. Clear? Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe.